Hi guys, welcome back with the second Sudoku in this additional of today's newspaper of Friday. Yes, Friday, February the 19th, 2021. The second Sudoku is a 4 stars Sudoku. Sudoku with 4 stars. So prepare, because if it's really a 4 stars Sudoku, I need 30 minutes or more to solve it. So before I start, this will be number 23, correction, 2354. Let me correct this. 2354. Alright, and I've mentioned earlier, this Sudoku has also 25 printed digits. So normally publisher published 4-star Sudoku always with 24 printed digits, but lately he starts to print all the Sudokus with 25 printed digits. So I'm curious what is the reason to do that. Alright, so let's get started. I see here 9 in this column, 9 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for the 9 should be there. The first column, 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers in the first column are the 4 and the 2. We have a 4 and a 2 in this big square, so no 4 and a 2 in those 2 boxes. The 4 and the 2 goes in these 2 boxes, the 4 and the 2. We see here 4, so no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in the first column. For the numbers 1 and 6 are missing. The 1 and the 6 are missing. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 and the 8 are missing. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 5 goes there. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5, no 5 in those 2 boxes. Here 5, no 5 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 5. Should be there. Then. Alright. How about the 5 in this row, 5 in that row? So in the row between the middle row, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so the column next. Only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. Then I cannot continue with the 5. How about yeah. We have a 2 in this column, 2 in that column, so in the column between the middle column, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 4. We see here 4, so no 4 in those 2 boxes. Here 4, no 4 in that box, so 1 box left for the 4 should be there. Okay, 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. The only place for the 3 should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here and the 9 goes there. Alright. Two numbers left in this row for the numbers 1 and 9. We see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Then two numbers left in this row for the numbers 2 and 6 are missing. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those two boxes. Let me think. 3 missing numbers in this column. 1, 2, the 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9. So the 3, 8, and the 9. 3, 8, and the 9 are missing in this column. We see here 3, no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. The only place for the 3 should be there. 8 and a 9, 8 and a 9. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. And we have a pair. 3 and a 4 in this row. 3 and a 4 in the second row. So in the third row, the only two places for the 3 and the 4 should be in these two boxes, 3 and the 4, as a pair. So what are the other pair? In the third row, the other pair should be the 1 and the 6. 1 and the 6 are missing. We see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here, and a 1 goes there. So we have a 1 in this column, 1 in that column. So the column between, the middle column, the only two places for the 1 should be here or there. You see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. Okay. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those numbers are the 7, the 8, and the 9 are missing. 7, 8, 9. And look, we have an 8 and a 9 in this column. The middle column. So no 8 and a 9 in this box. The 8 and the 9 goes in those two boxes. Let me mark those two boxes. 8 and a 9. So one digit left should be the 7. One box left in this column. 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. Yes, 4 is missing. Alright, 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, so no 7 there. Here 7, no 7 there. The only place for the 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the row below. So in the last row, only place for the 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the last column, so the column between. The only place for the 7 should be here. 7 in this row, 7 in the third row, so in the row between, 7 in this row, 7 in the third row, so in the row between the second row. The only two places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. And all the 7s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 7. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 8. 3 and 8. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 8 goes there. Now we have a 3 there. So this box cannot be 3 anymore. This box should be the 3. And this should be a 4. Alright. Three in this row, 3 in the last row. So in the row between, the only two places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 3. Then two numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 9 and 8, 9 and 8, we see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here, and 8 goes there. Two numbers left in this big square, the 9 and 8. We have an 8 there, no 8 there, 8 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 9 in this column, 9 in that column. So in the column between, the only two places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used, I can see. Digit number 3, number 9. Yes. In this big square, one of the missing numbers is an 8. 5 missing numbers. We see here an 8, so no 8 in those two boxes. There an 8, no 8 in these two boxes. So the 8 could be here, could be there. So we have an 8 in one of those two boxes in this row. 8 in the row below. So in the last row, the only two places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here. One box left in this row for the number 6. Two boxes left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 6. 1 and 6. We have a 6 now, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 1 goes there. One box left in this second column for the number 2. 2 is missing. Two numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 4. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Two numbers left in this row for the numbers 2 and 6. 2 and 6. Cannot fill this yet. Need to mark them. We have a 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So in the last column, the only two places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. Two numbers left in the first row. For the numbers 5 and 6 are missing. 5 and 6, I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those two numbers. The other pair in this big square should be the 8 and the 2. The 8 and the 2 are missing. 8 and a 2. 8. 5 is missing here also. 8, 5, and 4. Alright, so we have a 4 in this column, 4 in the last column. So in the column between, only place for the 4 should be there. And I've eliminated the 8. So one box left for the 8 should be there. Now we have an 8 here. So this box can't be 8 anymore. This box should be the 8. This should be a 2. Now we have a 2 there. So this cannot be a 2 anymore. This box should be a 2. And this should be a 6. Now we have a 6 there. So this cannot be 6 anymore. This box should be a 6. And this should be a 5. Now we have a 6 there, so this cannot be 6 anymore. This box should be the 6. And this should be a 2. And the final number of this big square should be the number 5. Finished in 14 minutes. Alright. Great. 4 stars Sudoku. Not really a 4 stars. But I need more time than the previous Sudoku. 1 minute more. So, yeah. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you later with the last 2 puzzles. A tectonic one and a binary one. So see you later. Bye bye. For now.